Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Miss Nene. I am back with another painting. Today I am working on a 9 by 12 wood panel. This particular panel I did a review on that I purchased from Arteza. This is an Arteza product. I had saw it on their website, and I thought, okay, I have to try this because I hadn't really worked on a wood panel before. So I purchased this wood panel from Arteza, and I did a review on this particular panel and some mica powders, and I will leave a link to that video in the description below. So today I'm working with metallic colors. So I'm just going to go ahead and let this play, and I'll be back at the end to discuss the results and show the finished product. Be back in a little bit. Enjoy. Okay, I think I'm done. I like the results. Kind of reminds me of like a galaxy explosion of just beautiful golds and copper colors against the black night of the sky. I know that sounds really dramatic, but it kind of reminds me of that. I like it. What do you guys think? I always ask because I want to know what everybody thinks. So let me know what you think in the comments below. I love to read your comments or what it looks like to you, what it reminds you of. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the end results. Well, this is the end results, but the dry results. I haven't, this particular one, since it's on a wooden panel, I'm going to resin this one instead of varnishing like I do my canvases. But I'm going to show you the dry results without the resin because I haven't resined it yet because this painting is still kind of new. I like to give it a couple of weeks before I do anything to it after I finish painting. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I would love for you to subscribe and hit the notification button so you know when I'm uploading. And I upload quite a bit. So stay tuned for the dry results. So there it is. The lighting isn't that great in the room, but you can still see the beautiful colors of the metallic golds, the rose gold, the Inca gold, the antique, and the royal gold, and the copper. It's so pretty. Yeah, I'm very pleased with this one. Very happy. I'm going to make another one on a bigger canvas. Wood or a regular canvas, I don't know. But I'm going to make a larger one. So, with that being said, thank you for